What's up guys, I'm really glad you clicked on this video because today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I approach meme coins because it's very different from what most people are doing nowadays. I am not trading and trenching all day, I am actually deving and then cashing out whenever the fuck I want. This approach has made me more money than trading ever did and it's still being overlooked. If you want to learn how to build and dev meme coins bro, well this video's for you. This Phantom wallet has over $8.5 million all from launching meme coins. That's exactly why I am making this video bro. Let's fucking get it. A lot of people in this space lose all their fucking portfolio in meme coins because they're careless. They lose because they only trade meme coins. For example, they buy and they jump into a coin, right, hoping to make some quick profits, but guess what happens? The guy who actually launched the coin dumps on their head and takes all their money. And that's why you have to be fucking switching strategies, stop trading and start launching. And that's why most experienced traders and visible KOLs are shifting away from trading and moving into fucking launching. Honestly bro, by launching your own coins bro, you are minimizing the risk and maximizing all your fucking potential because creating coins costs literally $0 and honestly bro, it's genuinely more enjoyable deving meme coins than actually trading. When you trade meme coins, your capital flows to the pockets of these creators. But when you launch your coins yourself, you're the one in control and every single buy goes into your pocket. Now, the process is really simple, okay? You deploy the token on the blockchain, you allow buyers and traders to arrive organically, and when the market cap and the volume is really high, okay, you can just fucking cash out and rinse and repeat this method. This chart is a perfect example, and that's exactly how I built my entire fucking port from $0 to over millions of dollars. So stay tuned and watch this entire fucking method right now. And by the way bro, this entire video was made for educational and entertainment purposes only. I do not condone any financial advice. Cap! Now most devs, okay, when they're about to launch their first ever meme coin, the platform they almost instantly think of is Pump.Fun. Now it is, yes, the well-known name, so it feels like the obvious starting point, but that is where people make mistakes and just waste their time. Pump.Fun is overcrowded beyond belief. New tokens go live non-stop and most of them collapse almost immediately. People just see them and they just forget them, right? They just die out. And it gets even worse. Pump.Fun takes a piece of your liquidity pool and takes a cut from the creator fees. So from the beginning, you are handing over a bit of control of your own project. As a dev, the real objective is to make the most amount of money possible, okay, and to get your coin in front of the Raydium DEX and for it to migrate. And on Pump.Fun bro, let's be honest, reaching that point takes too long and relies way too much on luck. Now that's exactly why I switched to create meme.io, because on this launchpad bro, it fixes all of those problems. All your meme coins that are launched through here will go directly to Raydium instantly and it will be viewed to a bunch of people immediately, which means your meme coin will get a shit ton of attention and a shit ton of fucking buyers, all because you're launching directly to Raydium and skipping the entire bonding curve on Pump.Fun bro. So that's why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now there's two different ways to make a meme coin on create meme.io. The first way is to create a whole new meme coin from scratch, all to your liking, which means you need a narrative for that meme coin. I like to go on X, I like to go on Reddit, sometimes TikTok, right, and I like to look for viral tweets, viral memes, viral jokes, anything, right? I don't know what I could find for example, but yeah bro, you get the point. A viral tweet from anybody could work. Once you have that meme bro, come back to create meme.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that bro, your meme coin is up and running. But the second method is where I make all my money, and that's the copy trending coins tab. Now this tab is so fucking insane because all these coins are going viral and they're all going viral as a narrative on Pump.Fun, which means if you copy a coin here, well that copy is going to get a lot of volume and is going to attract a bunch of apers in the trenches. And that's why copying coins is so fucking lucrative. I will even do a live example to show you guys exactly how it works. Alright, let's stop talking and let's get straight to business. We will be copying a coin and seeing how much profits we can make by the end of the launch. Now obviously bro, we will be copying a token, so first of all make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, then click on refresh list and then look for a coin to copy bro. Honestly I would go for anything. I'ma copy the EP coin. It has a last buy a couple seconds ago, so it looks good. Click on create coin and then obviously ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created in a couple seconds. Just give it some time. Boom. If I go and so scan for you guys can see that it is on chain, it's live. 7 seconds ago, everything is looking good. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is what activates trading for your meme coin. Once the liquidity is added here, your coin becomes instantly tradable and migrated right here on the Raydium DEX. Now for token A right here, okay, this is what sets your liquidity pool, okay. Now here click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens right in your liquidity pool. Right under for token B, this is what opens up trading on your chart. That so is not spent, it's locked inside the pool. You need at least 0.3 Solana and you will receive it back later once the liquidity is removed. Okay, so we have nothing to lose. Okay, that's the whole point of deving meme coins. And by the way, it's just a first buy. Okay, now put 0.3 Sol, click on create pool. After that, wait for your Phantom wallet and then click on confirm. When that is done bro, click on the refresh button down below, then scroll down and boom, the EP coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. Now if you click on the refresh button to check your profits for a second time, now we're up $140, which is around 1 Solana. Now click on view on Photon or Axum or Nova to see the chart. I'm using Photon, right? Let me go on full screen for a better view of the coin. Then let it fucking load in. And now the coin is live. As you guys can see, bang! We just got a $75 buy right here. It's absolutely insane. $77 buy again? Oh my god, bro. This is why you guys have to start deving meme coins. Within 1 to 2 minutes, we just got like $100 to like $300 buy. It's absolutely insane. We are at a 1.8k market cap, bro, and this coin costed me literally $0 to create, okay? Making meme coins on chain costs nothing. It costs basically nothing, right? Now, yes, bro, more and more people are going to start seeing the coin and then buying in. That's the beauty of deving meme coins, okay? So just let the coin run, let it go higher and higher and higher. And personally, bro, I'ma give this coin a couple more minutes and I'll be right back to dump the coin. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are pushing 10k in market cap. We are at a 7.8k market cap, 2.5k liquidity, 80 transactions, 3k volume. Okay, it is not bad. Now when you want to make some money, bro, come back to create meme.io real quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, we will be receiving $1.8 thousand in fucking profits. Now, if you click on the minus button, do 100%, remove by clicking on the red button, then just wait. And now as you guys can see, bro, we will be receiving around 12.5. So click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it from start to fucking finish. If you open your Phantom wallet, bro, you will see your profits in your fucking wallet, okay, just like this. Now obviously it's all for educational purposes only, bro. Do your own research, okay? It is repeatable, you can do this over and over again. Now Solana is going back up, so I would recommend it to do it right now. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Join my Telegram and Discord for more updates, and yeah bro, peace out.